Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is a network adapter. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a network adapter? A network adapter, also known as a network interface card or NIC, is a hardware component that allows a computer to connect to a network. It serves as interface between the computer and the network medium, such as Ethernet cables or wireless signals. The primary function of a network adapter is to provide the necessary hardware support for communication over a network. Network adapters can come in various forms, including wired Ethernet adapters and wireless Wi-Fi adapters. Wired network adapters typically use Ethernet cables to establish a physical connection to a network, while wireless adapters use radio waves to connect to Wi-Fi networks. In a computer, a network adapter is often a separate expansion card that can be installed on the motherboard or integrated directly into the motherboard. Many modern computers, especially laptops and mobile devices, come with built-in network adapters to facilitate network connectivity. The network adapter is responsible for converting data between the format used by the computer and the format suitable for transmission over the network. It also handles tasks such as addressing error detection and protocol management to ensure that data is successfully transmitted and received on the network. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is a network adapters is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Please click the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe no, if you are new with my channel. Thank you so much for listening. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.